In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the nightly price of your property on Airbnb. Please note, if this is the first time you are publishing your listing, you won't see the screen same as me, because for some reason, until you have published your listing once, Airbnb doesn't take you to the real hosting dashboard. Okay. If you haven't published your listing once yet, publish it with any random figures for now and unlist it straight after. And at that point, you will be able to see the screens as they are displayed on my computer at the moment. And the second thing is, it is always a good idea to use a computer when you're changing something on your listing. Their phone app is not really well designed for hosts. This is how it is going to appear to you when you type airbnb.com. If you are not logged into Airbnb, you can just click on the profile image on the top right and then click on login, and that will take you to the login procedure. Once you are logged in, you can either click on this switch to hosting button on the right, or you can always type airbnb.com/hosting. This is your hosting dashboard. The next thing you need to do is go to your listing. For that, click on menu here and then click on listing. This is your listing, which you have just created. Click on it, and now it takes you into the listing description. At the top bar, you will see this calendar option. Just click on calendar, and that will take you to the calendar page, and then choose the listing, and that opens your calendar. Okay. Basically, you need to come to your calendar to be able to change the price. And once you are on the calendar, you can simply choose the dates you want to change the price for. And on the right hand side, it will keep displaying the various options for you. Let's say if you want to set the price to 300, you can just choose it to 300, and that will automatically change it on the calendar as well. This is how you change the price of your property on Airbnb. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, all the best.